Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp communities. Today, we're diving into a handy feature that many of you have been asking about: how to clear group chats within a WhatsApp community. This updated guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can keep your conversations tidy and organized. Let's get started with clearing that group chat. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a tab labeled Communities. Go ahead and tap on that. This will bring up all the communities you're a part of. Now find the specific community that contains the group chat you want to clear. Tap on it to open the community, and then select the group chat in question. This will take you into the conversation. In the top right corner of the chat, you'll see 3 dots. These dots are your gateway to more options. Tap on them, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select More to reveal additional actions you can take. Here's where the magic happens. In the More menu, you'll find an option that says Clear Chat. Tap on this, and you're almost there. Before you finalize the clearing process, WhatsApp will ask if you want to delete any media files you've received in the chat. This is a great opportunity to free up some storage space if you need to. Make your choice based on your preferences. Finally, to complete the process, tap Clear Chat one last time to confirm your decision. And just like that, your group chat is cleared. Remember, this action doesn't delete the group itself or remove you from it. It simply clears the chat history, giving you a fresh start within the same group and community. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to keep your WhatsApp communities organized and clutter-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.